Hello, hey guys, welcome to back to my YouTube channel. How to the fixing the issue the sleeper app has been not working. The app open but any loading and screen has been black and the error problems. The checkings and error loading team has been team and answer and the teaming and the home screen has been match as be loading has been not show as be error problems but any problem the solution update this video to step by step the resolve the issues. First step, the internet connection the checking is other devices the connected the speed testing. And second step, the officially the status updated the checkings has been status updated the checking. And third, the application has been updated new version the checkings. And officially the Play Store and ISO the officially the iPhone and Android and updated the completed. And the Play Store open the searching box has been updated new version the selected. Second step, the press the app has the app information the selected, app information the selected, and permission the selected, and camera location make phone and audios and notification. First of all the locations, and location has been allow access. And second step, the all processing the completed. And reset your device it completed the reset your devices and the open the applications app has been no issues. The show has been thank for watching this video.